Hello, we are Toy Stories TV and today we'll play with the farm playset from Playmobil. It's a lovely sunny day in the farm garden and all the animals are happy. Jay is a nice sheep and a pink piggy. Jay is a cow and also Jay is the dog Bobby. Bobby lives in his house in the garden and he's looking after all the animals. Bobby checks if all the animals are okay and they don't run away. There's a lovely orange sunflower in the garden that looks where the sun is. There's also a big apple tree with big red yummy apples. Today, Daddy and Peter are going to visit the animals and bring them some water. They come with the horse. Now Daddy and Peter are going to give water to each animal on the farm. Here's Peter. Come on, animals. Are you thirsty? This is some water for you, and for you, and for you, and also for the horsey. I think Bobby is thirsty as well. Off. He jumps around Peter because he wants some water. Okay. Let's put a box so that Bobby can have water. There's some water for Bobby as well. Now he's happy. Everyone is happy. And Daddy and Peter can go back in the farm. Peter was visiting the animals. Now he says, "Bye bye, my friends. I'll come and see you tomorrow again." Bye, Peter. Moo, moo. What a nice day out in the farm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more videos. Thank you.